A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalam. In the name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today's subject is EVS, class 4th, and our today's topic is safe drinking water. Dear students, we have almost completed this lesson. So today we will do exercise, that means some textual questions which are mentioned on your EVS textbook on page number 55 and 56. Dear students, we will start the question number 1. Question number 1: what is the important substance on earth? Answer: what is the most important substance on earth? Question number 2: from where we get water? From where we get water? Answer: we get water from lakes, tanks, wells, or rivers. And question number 2: from where we get water? Answer: we get water from lakes, tanks, wells, or rivers. Question number 3: give the uses of water. Question number 3: give the uses of water. Answer: water is used for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, and helps plants to grow. Question number 3 है, give the uses of water. Answer: water is used for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, and helps plants to grow. Question number 4 is, how is water useful to us? Question number 4: how is water useful to us? Answer: water is useful to us because without water life would be impossible. Water is useful to water is useful to us because without water life would be impossible. Question number 5 is, water or the what are the source of water? Name any three. In question number 5, what are the source of water? Name any three. Answer: sources of water are lakes. Number 1, lakes, tanks. Number 3 and 3 number 3, rivers. Number 1, lakes, tanks, and rivers. Question number 6. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Choose the right word from the box. Fill in the blanks. Choose the right word from the box. Purified, boiled, stagnant, impure, precious, water, pure. Mosquitoes breed in dash water. Number 1, mosquitoes breed in dash water. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. part 2, part 2. Contaminated Contaminated water should be dash dash before drinking. Contaminated water should be dash dash before drinking. Contaminated water should be purified before drinking. Contaminated water should be purified before drinking. Part 3. Water which is free from germs and impurities is called dash dash water. Water which is free from germs and impurities is called pure water. Water which is free from germs and impurities is called pure water. Fourth part is water is very dash dash, we should not waste it. Water is very dash dash, we should not waste it. Water is very precious, we should not waste it. Water is very precious, we should not waste it. Part 5. During the monsoon, water should be boiled, should be dash dash to kill the germs. During the monsoon, water should be dash dash to kill the germs. During the monsoon, water should be boiled to kill the germs. Part 6. Sea water is the most dash dash form of water. Sea water is the most dash dash form of water. Sea water is the most impure form of water. Sea water is the most impure form of water. Dash dash. Seventh part. Part 7th is water is dash dash is the important substance on earth. Dash dash is the important substance on the earth. Water is the important substance on the earth. Dear students, this was all about our today's topic. So have a good day. Khuda Hafiz.